A few weeks back, I have captured a video in which I have shown how my plants were and they were almost dying. But if you look at these plants now, they have regained their greenery and above all, they have started flowering. If you look at it, I have so many birds out here. If you look at this plant also, it had lost all its leaves, and now you can see birds in there. If you look at this, see birds. So in some time, in a day or two, I will be having flowers in them. Even this bougainvillea had lost all its leaf, but now look at it. All the leaves are back. Almost all my plants which have lost their leaves have regained it. This fern, almost 2 to 3 weeks back, there was a storm, and there's one other plant pot which fell over it and almost broke it. So I have to plant it again in a new pot. And because of that, the environmental stress that you say plants undergo, it has turned brown, but now it has regained it and its new leaves will be there soon. Now the best part which I wanted to tell you all was this. The plant was almost dead. There was no leaves and now it's flowering like anything. The other plant, this was also dead. There was hardly any leaves there, and today I can see some buds about to flower. In a day or maybe by tomorrow I'll get the flowers. And if you look at this, it has also got lots of buds. In a week's time, I think the flowers will be there. The best part, this plant, when I used to bring it from the nursery, hardly there will be too many flowers in this, and the moment it will fall off, there will be hardly any flowers, and it never used to flower. Now I was chatting with my best friend Shweta, and we talk every day. We talk about plants. So she asked me to prune it, and believe me, guys, within a few days, I got so many birds in them. I'm just waiting for them to flower. I love their smell. Aman loves their smell. This plant had not been flowering for a while, but now here I can see some buds out here. So, waiting for it. Now to look for how to care for my plants, how I take care of my plants. Watch my next video. Bye bye. Take care.